Alright, so I'm doing some 5K loop or whatever today. I'm gonna see if they have a bib pickup for this because I do not know. I just signed up for it yesterday. I've never been out here. They have like a bike race. See like some food trucks and stuff like that. And I see somebody with a bib, so it's definitely a bib pick up somewhere. Let's see where it is.
That's right.
11:44. Yeah, so I got the throw this thing on and I guess get ready for the race.
And who's gonna try to let's go?
This is week 3, I think.
And they're off to the races, guys. We got a lot of great groups out there. Electrician, 5K in Chocolate City, Criterium. Steve, we got some solo runners. We got Dojo.
All right, let's go.
It's all about the pace, guys. It's all about the pace.
I was lap 1.
Again, big shout out to REI.
This stage, you can hear my voice. Say what's up.
This is the community wave. The community wave is open to everyone. Whether you're running on AT or you're running independently. This is the run for the ages. This is the run for the legacy 5K. How you going?
What's your name? I need it?
Let's go.
Let's get it, guys.
Let's go, RG3.
Hey, I see you, my
HTTR.
Alright, so 10 miles down this morning, got another 3.1, so we'll see how I feel.
And this bro, he is
Let's go.
he is making sure he's doing everything with his GoPro on.
We got Ashley coming through the line, one of our run ambassadors. Representing Waldorf Runners.
Alright, 1 mile down, 9:15 after 1. I mean, that's a fast time, but it's flat, so I'm actually not feeling that great. I'm feeling those 10 miles that I ran this morning, but I'm still going. I'm still under 30 minutes right now for this 5K. So I'm gonna try to hold this pace and keep on going, because I definitely fit on 10 miles from this morning. Alright, about to finish lap 2, come up on the 3rd lap out of the 4. I'm still going pretty good, considering how tired I am. So,
I mean, if you're in the Washington, D.C. area,
I gotta do a water stop on this one.
your very first marathon.
Laura, coming around. Let's go, girl.
Nice job, Lisa JJ!
19 minutes after 2 miles. So, yeah, I'm going good. Headed to that last lap. I don't have any push anymore though.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I ran 10 miles this morning. No, I don't. I'm gonna make it to the finish line, but yeah, I don't have that push as if I didn't do a run this morning. This is crazy what I did, but training for the marathon, so I gotta get out here and see how I feel tomorrow morning. Give me a workout in. Ooh. Probably not happening
today, but you're out here with your team, your friends, your family.
Good work.
Smiling.
All right, there go the finish line.
Maryland, we see you. We support you today. Way to go. Let's go. You are gold. Great work. Shout out to the homie Ken Rivers. You over there. Thank you so much. All your hard work today. Next time, we hope to see you at the Electrician 2027. Registration open. Tomorrow, maybe. Laura! We see you, girl.
I'm not gonna get on the 30.
Come on, Rick. Strides. We want to see them strides. Finish line right there.
Hey, we want to see them high knees all the way to the
Empty the tank. Empty the tank.
There's those knees.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Make the GoPro blurry.
Hey, great work, y'all. Great work.
Just float. Earning the day like you should. Back on your feet. Back on your feet.
Congratulations.
Shout out to amazing.
That hurt. That hurt a lot.
As I look in the crowd and those who have participated in this year's Legacy Room 5K, we could not have done it without
For what we run for.
Thank you so much. I see one of our
And that is it for this 5K. I'm tired. I didn't run that marathon today. And yeah, I still feel pretty good. I definitely didn't have the push that I normally would have for if I hadn't run earlier today. But I still ran pretty fast. All 3 miles were like 9 minutes or something, so yeah, that's fine. I know I can be better, and I will be better as long as I don't do a training run ahead of time. So
Let's go! Way to bring it in! Way to bring it in!
Still a few people finishing. I think those are the last ones.
Just to be clear, we haven't crowned anybody the Right Climb champion just yet.
Yeah.
Alright, take a look at the top.
I'm gonna be ready
It's not being
for
claimed just yet.
whatever I end up doing tomorrow as far as training. I don't know if I'm gonna run again tomorrow or hit the gym and finally get this weightlifting in that I've been neglecting over and over again. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go get something to eat. I guess at home. I'm not buying anything. No celebration meal today like I normally would. This is the day that I probably would need it with all the running that I did, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that today. And I'm getting ready to watch boxing for the rest of the night, as long as I can stay up. But yeah, I feel good. I made it to the finish line.